What's going on, YouTube? Today, finally, I might actually get to sand something. Fixed the hole in the last one. Just gotta get that all sanded down, and I'm gonna. So I ended up taking the fender off, priming this half, sanding it all down. Black, I don't know. Engine base painted. Yeah, I did that. I don't know if I'm gonna actually show anything from me painting it at all, because it was kind of boring. It just took a lot of work. I mean, that hole, you guys can't even tell anymore that that was a hole at one point. If you watch the last video, I show how I fixed that hole and everything. This actually turned out pretty good, except for the fact that I thought I had gloss black, and it was actually semi-gloss. There was a smudge of paint over top of the semi word, so I just said gloss black. Yeah, but clear coat corrected it. Looks good. So I gotta pull this bracket off, 4 bolts here, take the power steering pump off, and the bracket there, gotta paint them, and yeah, pretty much just clean everything up. So I forget who said it, but somebody commented either on Facebook or in one of my videos when I did how to remove an alternator on a Protege. They put in the comment, great, in order to change my alternator, I just got to change my whole fucking engine and take it out of the car and put it on a stand, right? Bunch of stuff is primed for the engine. Engine's primed. It's all primed up. Valve cover I don't care about, I have that powder coated somewhere getting done, and I just want the brackets for the engine bay also to be done. I decided to do a bunch of work off camera, but it's I like it. This is This engine bay, I love the way it looks with the red. These brackets, I really like how, wow, it's really red on camera. But, look at that. And then, brackets, they're still getting painted, some of them. But here's the motor. Looks awesome. This spot, I don't really care. I know there's overspray on it. Yeah. Like I said before, I got a valve cover getting powder coated, so I don't really care about this valve cover. I'm probably going to actually put that valve cover on it when I go to drop it in, so I don't scratch this one up. This way, this one stays nice and clean for when the whole motor is all together. Really love the red with the silver, with the black. It's going to look awesome. Next thing I got to do, I have to get the trans cleaned up, get that prime, get it sprayed, and should be ready to go all back together soon. Headers, I think I'm just going to clean them up and wrap them as soon as I get wrapped from Brandon. He's supposed to give them to me. But, look at that. Anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you like what we do, hit the subscribe button and smash the like button, guys. Almost at 3,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, guys. See ya.